Well, MCR Honda has been getting a lot of bad press when the owner has to put out a statement. So we're going to go through that. I'm going to read out the whole thing, and then at the end of this, we're going to have my opinion on it. So, quote, "I felt it necessary to address the incident involving MCR rider Vince Friese, I don't know, whatever, and star Yamaha rider Christian Craig during the past weekend's race in Glendale, Arizona. After close review by the MCR team and AMA, it has been agreed upon that while Vince's line choice in the sand was not the smartest, that's obvious, there was no intent or malice in colliding with Christian. This is evidenced in the video replay that shows Vince braking hard, causing his rear wheel to slide and ultimately make contact with Christian. That said, the entire MCR team and I are relieved that Christian wasn't injured in the crash, but also remorseful for how things transpired in Glendale last Saturday for all parties involved. Vince has personally contacted Christian to address the situation and expressed there was absolutely zero intent to make contact or knock Christian out of the race." It's a lot to read here. MCR understands that Christian is the premier rider in the 250 class and it's easily favored to win week in and week out. As the team owner, I want to make it very clear that in no way do I, this is the important part, in no way do I endorse, promote, or agree with any malicious or dirty act of conduct by my riders on or off the track. Our goal as a team is not to take out the current points leader and hope things turn out good, but to get great starts, race hard and clean, and secure the best race results. While there are varying opinions and perception of MCR and Vince Friese, those who know us know our commitment to professionalism is first and foremost. Our team is always striving to provide exemplary representation for our sponsors. So, that being said, you have to know that for the owner of the team, Moto Concepts, to put out a statement saying this, go through all of this, the absolute amount of bad PR, bad press, hate comments, negative publicity, negative, repercussions on his team, on his sports, for the sponsors. There's a lot that had to go into this for him to take the time to put this out. Mostly, you never see owners put out statements about when a rider crashes into somebody. You don't see Troy Lee Designs talking when Barsha hit somebody. You don't see, whoever runs Kawasaki. I don't know, when Jason Anderson's taking out Roxon. So, but if you look anywhere, any of the YouTube videos, any of the Instagram posts, any TikToks that you can find, whatever it is, Twitter is even worse, there is nowhere you can find supporting Vince Friese. And it's pretty bad that the owner has to come out and do this, and it's obviously doesn't look good for him, for the owner, for the for his sponsors being on the team that are doing this to the points leader, and for Vince Friese moving down a class. Yes, he's getting good starts, but then just riding wide bike, quote unquote, cross jumping people, taking people out, hitting, he hit Shimoda twice in the last race. He did that to Christian Craig, and it's just ridiculous. So, I don't know, to me it's pretty funny that the owner has to come out and actually say something about this, because that's saying a lot, that he's probably getting a lot of blowback, trying to, compartmentalize, is that the word? All this into just hey, it's not all our fault, it was an accident, don't hate us, blah blah. But tell me in the comments below, do you think this, do you think him actually saying anything changes it, or if it's just, whatever, he's trying to make it look good? But whatever it is, tell me in the comments below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.